Welcome back to the Bike Red. Today we're diving deep into the 2026 Hero Xtreme 125R, Hero MotoCorp's latest entry into the premium 125 cubic centimeters commuter sport category. This bike is aimed at young riders who want sporty looks, refined performance, and unbeatable everyday efficiency, all at a price that doesn't break the bank. Design and styling, aggressive yet practical. The 2026 Hero Xtreme 125R brings a sharp, muscular stance inspired by its bigger siblings in the Xtreme family. Expect LED projector headlights with DRLs, an angular fuel tank with aggressive shrouds, split-style seats, and a sleek tail section. Hero has clearly taken cues from the Xtreme 160R, giving this 125R a premium street fighter vibe. The bike's fit and feeny. Features and technology, modern connectivity. The 2026 model introduces a fully digital LCD instrument cluster with Bluetooth connectivity for call/SMS alerts, turn-by-turn navigation, and even ride stats. You'll also get LED lighting all around, hazard light functionality, and a side stand engine cutoff. Hero's focus on safety continues with CBS, combined braking system, as standard and an optional front disc with ABS for extra stopping power. Ride and handling, agile and comfortable. Built on a lightweight diamond frame, the Xtreme 125R weighs just under 140 kilograms, making it easy to flick through traffic. It features a telescopic front fork and a 7-step adjustable rear monoshock for comfort and stability. 17-inch alloy wheels wrapped in tubeless tires give solid grip. Hero claims a revised chassis geometry for improved high-speed stability without compromising city agility. Ride and handling, agile and comfortable. Built on a lightweight diamond frame, the Xtreme 125R weighs just under 140 kilograms, making it easy to flick through traffic. It features a telescopic front fork and a 7-step adjustable rear monoshock for comfort and stability. 17-inch alloy wheels wrapped in tubeless tires give solid grip. Hero claims a revised chassis geometry for improved high-speed stability without compromising city agility. Mileage and practicality, everyday Hero. One of the strongest points of the Xtreme 125R is its balance of style and practicality. With a 12-liter fuel tank, excellent mileage, and low maintenance costs, it's perfect for students, young professionals, or anyone looking for a stylish daily commuter. The upright riding posture and well-padded seat make longer rides comfortable, while the refined engine keeps vibrations to a minimum. Price and variance, accessible sportiness. The 2026 Hero Xtreme 125R is expected to launch in two variants: a base drum brake version and a premium disc brake ABS version. Pricing is rumored to start around 95,000 Indian rupees ex-showroom for the base model, going up to about 1.05 Indian rupees lakh for the top variant. This positions it competitively against rivals like the Bajaj Pulsar NS 125 and TVS Raider 125. Who should buy it? Target audience. If you're a young rider stepping up from a 100 cubic centimeters commuter or just want a stylish, efficient bike for daily rides, the Hero Xtreme 125R ticks all the boxes. It offers a big bike feel without the intimidating weight or price, plus Hero's reliability and service network. Conclusion: